Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. As I promised, I'm back to show you how I made these two sugar skull canvas art using things from the Dollar Tree. So let's get started. So as I showed you on my previous Dollar Tree haul, I picked up these two gift bags and two of these canvas. I pick these up all the time. I love using them for decoupage or whatever, and I used some black paint, just some matte black paints, scissors. I had a ruler. I don't know why. I hate measuring, but I wanted to look a little bit centered on the canvas. So one good thing, you see that little tag, you know I'm going to probably keep it for something because I'm a hoarder. Okay, as you can see, this black bag is two-sided, which is great. I was straightening it out. It didn't have too many wrinkles on it, so that was good. And so I'm going to cut this out. And initially, my plan was to decoupage onto the canvas with the black background. But as you can see, if you keep watching, I changed my mind. And if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos that are coming up. I'm going to be doing a few Halloween ones with some things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And so let's just get this cut out and we'll get started with decoupaging. See, it's two-sided. It's really pretty. Really pretty bag. So yeah, these bags had the same design on the front and the back. I thought they were so pretty, so I'm going to cut them out and tear off the hanger and this little part. Be careful not to tear off part of the design, which I ended up deciding not to keep the black anyway. So let's just get this cut out. I'm gonna, believe it or not, guys, I'm gonna actually throw away the scraps. You know, normally I would try to keep it for some other design. I did keep the handles. Okay, so we got all that off. And you see I'm tearing off the handles. I could probably use that for another DIY. And this is the other bag that came with it. I thought that was pretty. It has little skulls on it. The colors are really pretty. But I might use that for some other project maybe. Okay. I hope you can see okay. I have here, this is the little small flat canvas that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. They have different sizes and I thought this one would fit perfect for this particular project, and it did, as you will see. And if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit this bell and subscribe before you leave if you like this type of video so you don't miss out on future videos. And make sure you tap on the like button too, because that helps with my channel. Okay, so I'm sort of aligning this up to kind of see where I want to put it. I have this ruler, you know I don't like to measure, but I think that looks about right. So I've cut it out. And now I'm putting it on here just to make sure it all fits and I don't have to trim. Because I kind of like the black border around the skull. Okay, so I think I'm going to have like a ½ inch or an inch from each cheekbone to cheekbone is what I was trying to accomplish here. And I think that's about it. So I'm going to paint the entire canvas black because I think the colors on the sugar skull would look good. Well, you know it looks good with a black background because that's how the bag came. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry and cut this other one out while I'm letting that one dry. You may need another coat. Depends on the type of paint you use. This is just a basic acrylic black paint that's a flat finish. Okay, so I got this other one out, and let's see, I'm bending it a little bit to make sure it's straight. Okay, so let's decoupage the skull onto the canvas. Hope you guys can see okay. I need to get, I do have a white poster board that I can use so you can see better. So I will do that hopefully in the future so you can see my DIYs a little better. I just like to use old towels and stuff because I can wipe my brush right on there and don't care. Okay, I think that's good. I don't know why I had the ruler, because you know I don't measure. Okay, so we're going to put some of this decoupage right on here. I don't want to put too much because I really don't want it to squeeze out and get all over the canvas. I know I'm going to get some on the canvas. I won't be able to avoid that because I want to make sure that the edges are all covered. And I took it off the canvas because, like I said, I didn't want to get a lot on it. You see, I still had a little black paint on my brush, but that's all right because this is on the back side. So we're getting this on here, and if you put too much, it can make it too wet and cause holes because the paper is pretty thin. Okay, I think that might be enough. Is it? Alright, we're going to say it's enough. Okay, let's move some of this stuff out the way. Okay, I'm going to go back at the end, probably off camera, and paint the edges of the canvas so it'll look completely finished. Okay, so I'm just going to lay this down here, hoping that it's not cricket. Okay. And then, you know, you just kind of smooth it out just to make sure there's no bubbles or wrinkles. And you could use a little tool to smooth it out. I just use my hand if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but I don't mind getting my hands dirty. So now I'm just going to go over the entire skull with some more of this decoupage medium. I really should have used a foam brush. It would have been quicker, but I just thought the brush would allow me to see the entire skull and all the little cracks, and that I wouldn't miss anything. So let's get this all on here. And I did go around the edges. Like I said, I didn't want it to fall up. And this is the second one. This time I decided to pour more on so to make it quicker, putting the decoupage on it. Well, you see, I think I had too much. So I'm pouring the excess off. Okay. Now I'm just going to spread out the medium. Getting it all over the skull. I think that's good. Nope, not yet. I missed a spot. Okay, missed a lot of spots. Okay, so that's done. Hope everybody's doing well. I don't know. I measured on that one. Y'all know I don't recall if I measured on the other one. So we'll see if this makes a difference between the two. All right. You can see it's like right on the edge. So this was a perfect canvas for this project. So I'm just smoothing it out again. And some of the decoupage may go over, and I'll go back later and touch it up with the paint because I kind of like the matte finish on the background. So I'm just going to take some of the decoupage and put it over the skull. And you see I have to go on the edges because I don't want it to pop up. And I thought this was a good little, I guess it would be like more of a Halloween than a fall project. So let's get this on here and I will show you what they look like together in a second here. Just go carefully around the edges. There you go. And then fill in the middle part. Okay, we got all that done. So I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end here. Thank you for waiting. Okay, so I picked these little star-like stickers up from the Dollar Tree because I thought I needed to do a little bit more with these canvas skulls. So I put these all over where they had like teardrop shapes on the skull, especially like the eyes. And so I got different colors. It ended up where I had just enough for the sugar skulls. See, the eyes turned out so pretty. And so I just going to stick all these on here, and I will be back. Keep watching so I can show you the final results. I think this project was fun. It took a little bit of time to get the stickers on, but this is really a quick and easy project that anybody can do as long as you have a canvas, some black paint, and you're able to find any kind of art, whether it's from a gift bag or something you already have around the house. You know, that's what I do. I find things around the house and try to use it for decorations inside my home to make it beautiful. As I always say, beautiful inside and out. Final look. I think they came out great. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks so much.